So class 2, this is second video. Children, today we will learn about special keys, okay, and then we will practically also see the function of these keys. There are some special keys on the keyboard. Let us learn about them. That is, first is enter key. The cursor can be taken to the next line by pressing enter key. Okay, when we press enter key, we can take the cursor to the next line, like when you write in the copy, when your one line is finished or you want to change the paragraph, you start writing in the next line. Same is the function of enter key. Space bar key, it is the longest key on the keyboard. As you have seen, spaces between words can be given by pressing the space bar key. Pressing it once gives single space. So it is the longest key and it gives space between the two words. And if you press it more than once, it will give that number of space. Then backspace key. You can use backspace key to remove characters on the left of the cursor. Okay, you can go because when we write from left towards right. We are going from left side to right side. So if you want to delete, it will start deleting the words towards the left. Okay, children. Suppose you typed wrong spelling of the word keyboard as keyboard. Press the backspace key to correct your mistake. So it will first delete this D and then the word will be fine. Now caps lock key. You can type in capital letters by pressing the caps lock key. When we press caps lock key once, it will be on and whatever we will type will be typed in capital letters. And when we click it once more, then it will be off. It is present on the left side of the keyboard. As soon as you press the caps lock key, a light glows on the top right corner of the keyboard. Now you can type in capital letters here. Okay, we will just see how this caps lock key is. When we click once, the light will start glowing here. Right now you can see there is no light here in this capital A. Okay, this figure can be changed in different keyboards. Okay, so now we will press caps lock key once. Okay, and this light has started glowing here. Okay, means caps lock key is on now. And if we press it once more, then it will be off. One more time on and one more time off. So when this light is glowing or when this caps lock key is on, whatever we will type, it will be typed in capital letters. You can type small letters again by pressing the caps lock key again. When you press the caps lock key again, the light turns off, as I have shown you just now. Okay, children, then we will move to punctuation keys. These keys of the keyboard are used for punctuation. I have shown you in the previous video the various punctuation keys. Examples are comma, full stop, colon, question mark, hyphen, etc. So these are various punctuation keys and more keys are given in the keyboard. Okay. Now key combinations. Shortcut keys help provide an easier and usually quicker method of navigating and executing commands in computer software programs. Means some keys are there which are provided to us for making our work easy and so that we can do it quickly also. This is for navigating and executing commands. The commands which we execute through keyboard means the commands which we give by mouse, we can easily do that by using keyboard also. Shortcut keys are commonly accessed by using the Alt keys, Control key or Shift key in combination with another keys. So when those shortcut keys we usually use these three keys in combination with some other key which you will learn some in this class, and later on also you will learn many such combinations in the higher classes. Below is a list of some of the most commonly used basic shortcut keys. So here some shortcut keys are given to you. Let's see what all are there. Control plus N, create a new blank document in some software programs, means it is used for creating a new blank document. Control plus O, open a file. Control plus A, select all the text. Control plus C, copy selected items. Control plus V, paste, for pasting those items. Control plus X, cut selected items. Control plus Z, undo last action, whatever that you have done previously, the last action that you have do, to avoid that action we can use this. Redo last action, Control plus Y. Control plus P for printing the current page or document. Alt plus F, file menu options in current program, means it will open that. Alt plus E, edit options in current program, means various edit options it will provide. And Alt plus F4 will close the currently active program. Whichever program is active, Alt plus 4 will close that program. Okay. So right now let's see practically the function of these special keys. For this we will open, let's say we will open MS Word once. Okay, so I will open a document like this, MS Word. Okay, this I have opened MS Word, and for using enter key, suppose I will type something here. Okay, I have typed something here, my cursor is here. If I will press enter key here, okay children, enter key, it will go to the next line. If I will press once more, it will go to next line, again next line, again next line. Okay, understand? So again I will go here, and suppose I type this, but I want to take this text to next line. So what I will do, I will take my cursor here. Okay, we can take the written text also, and I will take it to next line. If I will press again, it will go again to the next line. Okay, so this way we can use enter key. Now space bar, right now we can see there is no space between these letters. Okay, so I can give space using a space bar. I will press it once, one space, I will press it one more time, one more space, so more space. This way we can give space using space bar. Now I want to delete. Okay, suppose I have written after this my name. Okay, POOJ. Suppose I have written this A so many times and I want to delete it. What I will do, I will my cursor is here right now. Okay, right now maybe let's say my cursor is here. Now I take it here, I realize that it is a mistake. I take the cursor here and then I will press the backspace key. So towards the left, one E will be deleted, again, 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 again. Now my spelling is correct. So towards the left it is deleting. Okay, backspace key. Now caps lock key. We will press the caps lock key here, and the button, this light is glowing here, and now whatever we will type, okay, it will be typed in capital letters. Okay, now I will press caps lock key off. I am pressing it off, and now it will start typing it in small letters. Okay, so the caps lock key works like this. Now punctuation keys. Suppose you want to use comma here. Okay, comma is given here, this comma is given here, so you will simply write comma here. Okay, and it will be typed there. Suppose you want to write this at the rate and sign. Okay, and sign, how will you do? If you will press this 7 simply, then 7 will be typed here. So for using these keys which are above these numbers or these signs, okay, the keys at the top, what you will do, you will first press shift key and then you will press 7. So what will be typed? End. Okay, what you will do, suppose you want to use this bracket sign. Okay, so you will press the shift key, and you have already pressed shift key and then you are pressing this key. Okay, so 9 will not be typed, this bracket sign will be typed. Okay, so this way you will type the characters at the top. Okay, thank you children, this is all about today's lesson. Bye bye, take care.